Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be creating a golden vibe makeup look inspired by this one of Gigi Hadid at the CMA Awards in 2019. To start, I'm gonna be applying some oil on my face by Tarte Cosmetics. This will hydrate deeply my skin. And just after, I will use this primer from Charlotte Tilbury in order to give some natural glow to my skin. I like applying all these products with my fingers. And I will go to concealer. First, I will apply some concealer from NYX Cosmetics. This one is not totally full coverage, that's why I will just apply a little bit. Just after, I will take my Shape Tape from Tarte Cosmetics and I will apply it over the first concealer. This will give me more coverage, but not a cakey effect. Sometimes I do this, I apply two concealers, I don't know why. I apply also at the areas that need more lightening, and I blend it all with a beauty blender. For powder, I always use the Mercier powder because it gives a little bit more light on my skin and it doesn't make it really dry. It feels nice and natural. I apply some more extra around the eyes. Some bronzer. And for the eyes, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, this one. And I apply some yellow brownish eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye, like that. And for eyeliner, I will take the ZOEVA Cat eye pen in black. I'm taking a face spray and I'm going to this one from Fenty Beauty. I will apply it as an eyeshadow. It has really nice golden shade with a little bit glitter inside. I like to redo my eyeliner because sometimes the eyeshadow goes on it and it's not that black anymore. Next, I'm taking some Fenty Diamond Bomb and I will apply in the inner corner. This will give more silver result. For mascara, as always, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I use this one or the Rihanna one. And after, I like to take some eyeliner. This one is from NYX Cosmetics and I apply it on the down eyelashes and makes my eyelashes seem more thick. For the lips today, I'm gonna be using a combination of a matte lipstick and some gloss over it. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I hope you have a great day and to see you back soon to my channel. Bye bye!